Hi, welcome. My name is Eric Yelm. I'm the VP Business Development for North America for Swissdrones. And we're here with the STO 50, which is our aircraft that we have operating here in the US with Phoenix Air Unmanned.
And hello, my name is Jim Seaplack. I'm Director of Business Development for Phoenix Air. So Eric makes the airplane, Phoenix Air Unmanned, we fly the airplane, and we hold the beyond line of sight exemption to fly this 200-pound helicopter anywhere across the United States over electric utilities, pipelines, and other linear infrastructure.
Yeah, what's great about this aircraft is it allows you an endurance that other aircraft in this class don't have. So basically, you can fly this aircraft with a good payload of about 50-60 pounds over 2 to 3 hour endurance, which allows you to do, as you mentioned, pipeline inspection, power line inspections. So it's fantastic for that purpose.
Yeah. And that's key, the payload and the endurance of the aircraft. So Phoenix Air, we've flown small UAS. There you're limited on time because of battery life. You're limited on the sensors you can carry, typically just one sensor, one camera, one LiDAR. With this aircraft now, we can go over 2.5 hours. We can carry high-end sensors like LiDARs, but also put on OGI sensors, so optical gas imagers, magnetometers, and other high-res cameras, all in one flight over long distances.